भक्तवत्सलाय स्वाहा अनन्तवराय स्वाहा श्रीरामस्य आनुर्याय
This side, please. Huh? Can you?
Jai Swaha, Jai Swaha, Jankajurane Swaha, Jankajurane Swaha, Khandai Swaha, Bhajangai Swaha, Bhamugai Swaha, Mahagai Swaha, Durgai Swaha, Vijagatve Swaha, Mahadugai Swaha, Aryari Sarvadevebhya Swaha, 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 Adyen Namakkasta. Om Nityanaya Swami, Sarvadevaya Swami, Vijay Swami, Vijay Swami, Bhaji Swami, Sudhari Swami, Om Narayana Swami, Venkataya Swami, Devadevaya Swami, Vijay Swami, Kalaya Swami, Vijay Swami, Punyaj Swami, Punyatagaya Swami, Vijayamurti Swami, Vijayini Swami, Indraya Swami, Dharanya Swami, Varahaya Swami, Varahaya Swami, Bhujandara
Lakshmimojanam means we are opening the eyes from Mula Vigraha from Utsavamurti. Adhyatmika, Adibhautika, Adidaivika, Tapatraya, Jahida, Sarvabala, Nivarana, Siddhyadena, Pade Pade, Bhagavade, Bhagavata, Kaingariya, Prapta, Siddhyadam, Arora, Divyamangala, Sete, Virajamanasya, Lakshmi, Goda Sameta, Prasanna, Venkateswara, Swaminaha, Divya, Alaye, Sankalpita, Dinodharana, Ashtabandana, Mahasamprotthana, Sarvani, Sita Sameta, Ramachandra, Swaminaha, Rukmini, Satyabhama, Sameta, Sri Venugopala, Swaminaha, Prityakam, Lakshmi, Ayagriva, Swaminaha, Prityakam, Vishwaksena, Swaminaha, Prityakam, Sri Dhanvantari, Narayana, Anugraha, Prasada, Siddhyakam, Sri Vikarasacharya, Anugraha, Prasada, Siddhyakam, Nutana, Jumba, Utsava, Devata, Acharya, Mukhena, Adivasa, Saya, Karmakyam, Achinmojana. Govinda!
Namaste. Good morning. Shubhodaya. We are so blessed. We have such a beautiful temple, 8,000 miles away from our homeland. And this is considered to be one of the best temples in the country, if I am not mistaken. And for that, we are very, very, very grateful to not only our learned priests, but for the Sthapati. A Sthapati is not someone who is just a contractor, who is not just an architect. He should know Agama Shastra, he should know Vedanta, he should know the physiology of God. So a temple is an extension of God's physical presence on our premises. So there is a head, there is a body, and there is a foot. And he plans according to the Agama Shastra how the temple should be designed. And ours is one of the best designs I personally have seen in this country or anywhere else. And it's so beautiful with the expansion. We have gotten 80 feet in front of the temple. Now we have 30,000 square feet from the previous temple, in addition to the previous temple. So we are very blessed. I hope you all enjoy that. The architects are the Sutradhari for all of this development, and the beautiful design of the temple is none other than Shri Paramasivan. Please come forward.
Dear devotees, our chairman Ravi is going to share his experience with Hello all devotees, thank you very much for being part of this. This is our temple, and in order for this thing to happen this way, Mr. Paramasivam Rajinachari, he is the one who designed it. I bothered him many a times in the mornings, in the evenings, and very pleasantly, no matter what time it was, he always very pleasantly replied. Of course, there are a lot of last minute changes, this and that, in spite of all it. Thank you, sir, Brahmacharya. Thank you for putting up with me. 3 or 4 years, I suppose, whatever it is. Without your expertise, it would have not been possible. for us to have the most beautiful temple in North America, Balaji Temple. Thank you very much for your services. I thank your family for letting you come in away from the home, your wife and your children, for giving you to us. Thank you.
We have a special plaque for him. Visishta. 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 Visishta Seva Award presented with grateful appreciation to Pramuka Stapati Sri Ratina Acharya Paramasivam for extraordinary services in designing and creating an authentic Hindu architecture, Sri Venkateswara Swami Balaji Temple, Aurora, Illinois. Mahakumbhabhishekam, September 10th to 15, 2024. Thank you very much, sir.
Vishwakarma Manuspashta Stavishta Staviro Dhruva Agrahya Shashvata Krishna Lohita Pradhana Navo Navo Bhavati Jayamanonna Yedurshasame Tigre Bhagam Devebhyo Vidanat Jayantra Chandrama Siddhari Dikamayu
Kumar later.
Most of you here may not know the trustees, you may not know the executive committee members, but everybody knows Ravi. Ravi is the one that feeds all of us, weekdays, weekends, thousands of people. And on special occasions, he's here day and night. He makes the laddu. Everything done in the temple, anything is made by Ravi. Not only cooking, he does a lot of other work and helped in Indianization of the temple for the last 1 year. And he's a great help to us. Ravi, we're blessed to have you here. Visishta Seva presented Shastra Pravina Sri Jai Prakash Ravi Kumar for extraordinary services in providing delicious prasadam Sri Venkateswara Swami Balaji Temple, Aurora. Mahakumbhabhishekam, September 10th, 2024. Sriman Narayana Vishnu Vasudeva Vinachadu. Next to Sati Nagappan. He is one of the shyest persons in the temple. Always smiling. I always ask him for the secret for his black hair. He never revealed that. But he's so energetic. He does so much work in the kitchen. For all the prasadam, he's the one that creates the menu and prepares all of this. And he also does a lot of work outside the kitchen. And we are very grateful to have him. Visishta Seva Award, grateful appreciation to Paka Shastra Pravina, Sri Eludulai Nagappan, for extraordinary services and for authentic, outstanding prasadam. Sri Venkateswara Swami Balaji Temple, Aurora, Illinois, Mahakumbhabhishekam, September 10, 15, 2024.
Yes.
This is Bala Subramanian. He has been here for over a year now, doing the Indianization of the temple. He doesn't sing like Balu, but he works way better than Balu with his hands. He has done a wonderful job Indianizing the temple.
Thank you so much, Bali. You worked so hard last 1 year. We appreciate it very much. Thank you.
All the fine artwork that is done around this temple is by Balasubramanian. He happened to be the nephew of our Sapati, Ratnachari Garu. He came in and regularly worked a lot of time, extra time actually, night time also, to do the fine architecture. Thank you, Baba. Sridhara Manohara Sita Pralakanta Palaya Gopalaya Bhavan Kudinamagna Daitya Vakala Ramali Gadisha Shakti Chakri Chandaki Sriman Narayana Vasudev.
This is Anand, MP from India. He helped a lot with the Indianization of the temple and assembling the Prabhavali from Balaji. 3 days non-stop without sleep. That happened. Thank you. This is Sendhu. He is also a Shilpi from India. And they have worked day and night. No Friday, no Saturday, no Sunday. Rain or shine, they've been working all year long to make the temple happen this way. Thank you so much, Sendhu. Very nice of you to do that.
Sendhu and Anand, they worked from 2019 on. During the COVID period, during that period they went back, came back, literally stayed away from his families, worked so hard, not only in the temple but also.
Now the Shilpis will be performed. At this juncture, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank the wonderful priests, not only our 7 priests on the Vaishnava side and the 25 priests that came from outside. Please give them a big round of applause. Very authentic celebration of our Mahakumbhabhishekam, and almost 23 years after the last one. So this is a wonderful occasion for all of us to delve in and enjoy the spirit of our Balaji. Thank you so much. Netron Mirana will be done, opening up the eyes for the new deities.
उभेते विद्मरजसे पृथिव्याविष्णादेवत्वं परमस्य वित्से विचक्रमे पृथिवीमेष एतां क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषेदशस्यन् भृवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः उरुक्षितिकं सुजनिमा चकार देवः पृथिवीमेष एतां विष्णुरस्तु तपसस्त्रवीयां पेषगृह्यस्य स्मयस्य नाम अतो देवा अवन्तु नो यतो विष्णुर्विचक्रमे समूढमस्य पागुं सुरे त्रीणि पदाभ्यः विष्णुर्गोपादाभ्यः ततो ब्रह्मा धारयन् विष्णोः कर्माणि पश्यत यतो व्रतानि पस्पशे इन्द्रस्य यज्ञस्वथा पश्यन्ति सूरयः दिवेव चक्षुराददम् स्वस्वमिन्दते यत्परमं फलं सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः स भूमिं विश्वतो भृत्वा पुरुष एवेदगुं सर्वम् उतामृतत्वस्येषानः एतावानस्य महिमा पादोऽस्य विश्वभूतानि कृपाभूर्भ उदयपुरुषः ततो विश्वं जक्रामते तस्माद् विराजयत स जातो अत्यरिच्यत यत्पुरुषेण हविषा वसन्तो अस्यासीदाज्यम् सप्तासम्परिभयः देवा
ग्रह प्रीति प्रमुख केटो
నమస్కారం అండి. TV5 ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ శుభాకాంక్షలు, నమస్కారములు. చికాగో అరోరా శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి దివ్య మంగళ క్షేత్రంలో సెప్టెంబర్ 10వ తేదీ నుంచి 15వ తేదీ వరకు మహాకుంభాభిషేక మహోత్సవం, మహాసంప్రోక్షణం, జీర్ణోద్ధారణ ఈ కార్యక్రమాలు జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఎంతో విజయవంతంగా సాగుతున్నాయి. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ఈ దేశంలో పలు ప్రాంతాల నుంచి 60 మంది అర్చక స్వాములు వచ్చి ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని జయప్రదం చేస్తున్నారు. ఇది 12 ఏళ్లకు ఒకసారి జరిగే ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని దిగ్విజయంగా జరపడానికి మేమంతా 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా శ్రమపడి ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేశాం. నా పేరు రామరాజభూషణుడు. నేను ఒక ట్రస్టీని. మా మిగతా ట్రస్టీలందరూ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. మాకు 14 మంది అర్చక స్వాములు ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళందరూ కలిసి ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని విజయవంతంగా నిర్వహించడానికి ఎంతో శ్రమపడి నిర్దుష్టంగా నిర్వహించడానికి ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. వారందరి శ్రమ ఫలిస్తుందని ప్రేక్షకులు, మన అందరూ వచ్చి డివోటీస్ వచ్చి ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని దిగ్విజయం చేస్తారని ఆశిస్తున్నాము. ఇప్పటికే 2 రోజుల కార్యక్రమం అయిపోయింది. ఇంకొక 3 రోజులు ఉంది. శుక్ర, శని, ఆదివారాల్లో ఇంకా ఎన్నో విజయవంతమైన కార్యక్రమాలు జరగబోతున్నాయి. అభిషేకాలు, నూతన అలంకారములు, నూతన విగ్రహ ప్రతిష్టాపన, మరి ప్రాణ ప్రతిష్ఠ, ఇటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలు చాలా ఉన్నాయి. మీ అందరికీ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి దేవస్థానం తరపున శుభాకాంక్షలు. స్వామివారి ఆశీస్సులు మీ అందరికీ ఉండాలని ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు మా ట్రస్టీలందరూ ఇక్కడ సమావేశమై ఉన్నాము. ముందుగా మా దేవాలయానికి అధ్యక్షులు శ్రీ ముసునూరి సాంబశివరావు గారు మాట్లాడతారు.
హలో, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. Dr. Venkata Samsivara Musnuru, President of the temple, Balaji Temple. This temple has been established by our senior trustees, Dr. Neerukonda Prasad, Dr. Akkineni, Dr. Veluchami, Dr. Koneru. These people started the temple, and then other trustees joined in 1986. Dr. Ramraj, who is the secretary of the trust board now, Dr. Naidu, Rajiv Naidu, and the Naveen Neerukonda is the current trustee, and Dr. N.S. Rao here. There are about 10 trustees, and we have been working all these years, and it did not come to this stage overnight. We started with a farmhouse in 1985, and the first building happened in 1986. We did the Kumbhabhishekam. Afterwards, the temple has been expanding. In 2003, we had a first expansion done, and since then the need is increasing because of the increasing Indian immigration, and we needed to have more space for the religious services as well as gatherings and occasions. That is the reason we took up this project. All the 10 trustees, we had gone through this, and without the cooperation of the trustees and the good-hearted people of the Midwestern, not only Midwest, I should say the whole United States, this thing came to a reality. And this is not something that happened overnight. This is a long-standing plan that has been going on. It came to the fruition, and we invite you to come here and visit the temple on 14th, 15th September. We will have lots of crowds, and if anybody wants to have a little easier and relaxed visitation, 16th onwards is also a very good time to come to avoid the crowds.
Na peru Nagarpalli Sudarshan Rao, one of the trustees, and I've been here since the inception. And we look forward for the devotees and visitors to come to the temple during this Mahakumbhabhishekam celebrations from 10th to the 15th. 14th, 15th is our final day. So please come and enjoy and get the blessings of Lord Balaji.
Hello, I'm Pethinaidu Veluchami. I'm one of the trustees from the beginning, and I have been chairman for many years. Now Dr. Musnuru Garu, he did a wonderful job, and I was in the expansion committee, and we did all this expansion. And look at here, he put all his thoughts, lot of things. He worked so hard. You know, I hope you will all come and visit from 10 to 15. If you don't have time, at least come on 14th and 15th and see the Mahakumbhabhishekam.
Hello, my name is Naveen Neerukonda. I'm the treasurer of the Board of Trustees here at SVS Balaji Temple in Aurora. We welcome anyone who is able to visit the next 3 days to come and participate in our Mahakumbhabhishekam celebrations. And if you're unable to participate up to the 15th, we welcome you to visit our temple at any time after the 15th and continue to celebrate us and this temple. Thank you.
I'm Rajiv Naidu, trustee here at the Balaji Temple. I'm a second-generation Indian, and it's wonderful to see our culture exemplified in this wonderful building and these wonderful ceremonies. We welcome you and your family, especially your grandchildren, to come and visit this wonderful institution and see our culture at its finest. Thank you.
మరొకసారి శ్రోతలందరికీ అరోరా శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి పద్మావతి సమేత అలిమేలుమంగా సమేత శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి దివ్య మంగళక్షేత్రం నుంచి భక్తులందరికీ శుభాకాంక్షలు, శుభాశీస్సులు. ఈ సంప్రోక్షణ కార్యక్రమం, మహాసంప్రోక్షణం, కుంభాభిషేకం, జీర్ణోద్ధారణ కార్యక్రమం 15వ తారీఖుతో ముగుస్తుంది. 14వ తేదీన శనివారం నాడు వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామికి అభిషేకం, 15వ తారీఖున శ్రీ సాంబశివమూర్తికి అభిషేకం. ఆ రోజే రాజగోపురం, మిగతా విమాన గోపురాలన్నిటికీ సంప్రోక్షణం జరుగుతుంది. 9 గంటలకు ఆ కార్యక్రమం ప్రారంభమవుతుంది. కాబట్టి మీరందరూ ఆ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొని దిగ్విజయం చేస్తారని ఆశిస్తూ అందరికీ నమస్సుమాంజలు.